Once finished, roast is done. So tender, it's falling apart. Look at that. With brown gravy. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you can tear it with a fork. You don't even need a knife to cut it. Mary shoulder roast on 375. Cook for 2.5 hours. Saute onions, garlic stuffed, celery, garlic powder, onion powder, herb season such as Italian season and Swiss sauce. Let it marinate. Put it in the oven for 2.5 hours on 375, and it will fall off the bone. Brown gravy, sauteed it in brown gravy with mashed potatoes and carrots on the side. Enjoy Mary's pot roast.